Hey friends, welcome back. And if this is your first time stopping by the shop, you picked a great time because this week I am actually going to review some gear that I personally feel is a must-have in any garage. Now, if you're an automotive enthusiast, you like to work on cars and trucks, are always looking out for tools and gear that will help make your wrenching easier, make sure you click on that subscribe button so you don't miss any of our future episodes. Now, I've been working on cars and trucks for a number of years, and you could typically have the hood popped open on the weekends, a slew of parts or tools thrown across your fender if you have a fender sizable like Clara the Mustang here, or in the case of my WRX where I don't have that, I usually have the tools thrown across the engine compartment and I'm bouncing back and forth underneath there trying to find where I put the actual tool. Also, you could have an old school magnetic tray like this one with the magnets on the bottom, or the old school fender liner here, or a blanket put on top of the car like I have on the Mustang, like I do with the WRX, to end up putting tools and parts on. I wouldn't put the tray or the fender cover on the WRX because it would instantly scratch up the wrap, scratch up the carbon fiber that I have on the car itself. This past December, Dana hooked me up with an awesome gift called the Gripty. Now, the Gripty is a 100% silicone tool tray. I've been putting this one through the test for the last 4 months, really just loading it up, sliding it back and forth across the car, carrying it back and forth across the shop with parts, with tools, really to see was it all that it said that it was going to be. And I'm really, really happy to say that it just did phenomenally. Now, this is the single tray that I've been putting through the wrenches and just trying to abuse it. Now, because this one did so well, I asked Dana if she can go ahead and pick up some other ones because I'd love to keep some that are cleaner to be able to do work on the WRX or the 4Runner to really make sure that I'm not running back and forth trying to find tools and everything is really organized where I need them to be. She was awesome enough to pick up a dual pack. Now, these packs come in a variety of colors. They come in the bright green, your black, your blue, red, purple, and then pink, which I think this is an awesome color. It's high visibility, easy to be able to see it anywhere in the shop. And hey, you gotta love an ever-present reminder that we all need to be working hard to save the tatas. So this is a 2-tray kit. They do come in the single trays, as you see over on Clara. The larger tray has individual compartments for nuts and bolts, small tools, then of course the larger one, and then the smaller tray has very much the same. Now, these are chemical resistant. You can rinse them off with water. You can wash them with soap and water if you really want to make sure that you keep them clean. And the single tray will come in at $19.99. The 2-tray kit will come in at $49.99. I have the links for these in the description box if you want to look into them further. Now, I mentioned before that I wouldn't put the fender cover or the old magnetic tray on the WRX. However, with these, I really have no concern whatsoever. And, you know, to show that I have no concern about it at all.
Oh no, 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 oh no.
It's just as simple as throwing it on the car It's just as simple as throwing it on the car, and they're non-slip.
Wow! 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 All I can say is wow!
Now, I'm someone that before I recommend anything to friends or family, I'm really going to try it out, make myself a believer first, and I really could not recommend these anymore. So I'm going to rate these a 5 out of 5 horns. Hit it! Take a look at them. If you have something similar, please post up a comment, let me know. I'd love to be able to review it as well. Or if you have cool gear that you feel needs to be in our shop, I'd love to take a look at that as well. Hope you all enjoyed the review. Have a great night.